Here's Marcelo Torres with one more video analysis for Bitcoin. Sorry for the bad image. You guys can't see me well because I'm in my daughter's room today. Check it out. This is my studio for today. Some cleaning going on in the house. My wife's in my office, so here I am. Okay, it's kind of a late analysis since I did the Brazilian Portuguese analysis maybe like 2 hours ago, but it's good because now we have further updates. Okay, here we go with the 1 hour chart, and we can see that everything is going down. Okay, we had this downtrend line, dashed line, the black one here. This is an old one, and I just drew this new one, the bottom one, which is an uptrend, a small uptrend line, dashed black. And we have kind of at the same time, we have a symmetrical triangle. We also have a uptrend channel. Okay, so we have a bunch of things going on, and since let's put here since April 6th, we are touching this large down trend line right here, but prices are not able to break through it. Okay, which is something good because it's a good and nice reference for the for the price movement. Okay, so right now we could see, let me make this thing large here, we could see that we are getting into a decision point. Since we are on the 1 hour chart, this thing is gonna make a decision still today in a few moments, right? If we remember a little bit, recollect here how Bitcoin likes to move inside a symmetrical triangle. It was supposed to break out a long time. Maybe um, today at 10 a.m. it would be a nice one, or yesterday at 8 p.m. both Brazil time. But it didn't do that. So normally it could do something like this, and it could keep on going, and then suddenly it could break out, going up. Okay, normally that is what happens, but we can't. There's no way to know because Bitcoin does not respect technical analysis on the streamline. Sometimes it does things that we just can't explain. Actually, technical analysis is not a crystal ball, so we don't have the exact movement price movement to tell you guys. It's just like I said, we just have to draw some scenarios and bet on it. Okay, so this is my bet for the next few hours. Let's see how that's gonna go on. Let's check out the indicators. We see here that we had earlier today when I did the analysis, we had a black circle going on for the relative strength, and now we could say that it's going down. So it is red. We already have the stochastic, is which predicts or suggests the direction of the prices, and it was going down, and it keeps on going down. We have also the MACD. Let's let's open it here. Okay, it's going down. It was earlier going mixed, so now it's clearly going down. Okay. We also have the buy sell trend actually, sorry for that, which indicates what the trend gonna look like. And we lost the short-term uptrend line today at um, 9 April 9 at 3 p.m. at 1 p.m. Brazil time. So now we're going down, and we also lost the mid-term trend that was up, and it also goes down. So we have, as you guys can see, we have a lot of indications saying that we might see Bitcoin going down. When we check the Brazilian stock market, Dow Jones, SP 500, Nasdaq, everybody is inside a wedge, a bullish edge with the uh, bearish output. Okay, so which means that looks like that the main stock markets are going down, and depending on the reason why it is going down, and I don't have the explanation for that right now. So I'm just following what the prices are doing, accumulating inside this figure, the wedge, the bullish wedge, and if it doesn't break up that, and it's not breaking up right now, it is respecting this figure. This means that if it keeps on going that way, we might see prices going down on the stock market. And that was the same thing that I saw when the stock market went down now for coronavirus. I didn't know what was the reason for that, but I knew it was going to go down between the end of beginning of March, the end of March, by the beginning of May. But May is too far, and closer to the end, to the right side end of the wedge. So we have to expect some breakout from the middle, starting from the middle of the figure, but before the end of the figure. So it would be something like beginning of March and beginning of April, and that did happen by the beginning of March or mid of March. I'm not sure. I don't recall right now. But anyway, that happened. I had no reason. Boom, it was coronavirus. Everything went down. Okay. So we also have right now the wedge saying that it's gonna go down. If prices from all these stock markets, I'm looking for, okay, I'm looking for if these stock markets respect this figure, it's going down. And if it goes down, most likely we might see Bitcoin going down as well. Okay, and there's a lot of analysts, financial guy, economists saying that we still didn't see the bottom of this crisis. It's going to get worse. So that is, it seems to me that there's a clear connection between this whole thing. Okay, so let's keep on going here. Let's see how it is. The money pressure. The money pressure is it came back to the positive zone. So let me move this back to green. Here we go. And we have a clear negative price spread. So now it is red. So if we check now, we see that on this trading system, we have more negative signs. And we can see that the money pressure, um, hold on, here we go. The money pressure, it's starting to slow down. See how the curve is moving and look like it's going to do this. So it might go down. It's the last indication we have. We will get to confirm that we're going down on the 1 hour chart. Okay, which means that the downtrend line, which is the black dash line, will not be broken out for now. Okay, so for the intraday, the 1 hour chart, this is what we have. Okay, let's move on. Let's go quickly to the 4 hour chart. Here we go. So with the situation moving down, we now have on the 4 hour chart the relative strength going down. We still have stochastic wanting to go up. See, so it is positive. It is positive. Here we go. So, which means that if we want to go, even though it's slightly up on the 4 hour chart, it means that the 1 hour chart might go slightly down and get get some more power, more force, and start going up again, which will take the 4 hour chart up if this is the case. All right. I forgot on the 1 hour chart. Let's step back. I forgot to talk about the volume wave, we can see that the volume wave is fading the negative wave. And if we check out its a pivot, it's still showing red, which means that we might, which is it's normal. We might see one more strong red bar on the volume wave. Okay, and after that, let's see if it's gonna uh, uh, evolve into the blue zone. Let's see how that's gonna work out in a few hours. Okay, that's what we have. A complete analysis for the 1 hour chart. Okay, let's go back to the 4 hour chart. Here we go, 4 hour chart. So, let's check the volume again on the 1 hour chart. See, it's going down with volume going down, which reflects again what the 4 hour chart is saying. What we get here right now is that prices are going down, volume is going down. So the volume is not supporting the move, the downtrend move, which means that we might see prices going up maybe when it touches the uptrend line of the uptrend channel. Okay, let's see how that's going to come out. Sorry for this whole back and forth, back and forth. Here we go completely to the 4 hour chart. We also see the red or negative wave fading. We already see the pivot saying it's slightly, here you go, it is slightly red. Okay, it might increase a little bit. We might see one more red bar here as well. But after that, we might start seeing it going up in case this is the situation. So let's check out the other indicators. We have relative strength for 4 hours going down. We already said that. We have the positive uh, forces going on the stochastic. On the MACD, everything is going down. Okay, and this guy takes a while to change. So it's probably going down for now. What else we have here? We have here the buy sell trend, which gives us a negative trend, okay, for the short term, but we still have positive trend for the midterm, okay, which is good. So we still don't have a negative across going on. Yes, we do. It's already negative. Sorry for that. It is negative. Okay. Remembering that we are going straight sideways while the volume is an average going down. It says that it doesn't like this sideways move, which means we might see some reaction. Not sure what the direction, but check this out. Look how close the the exit of the Bollinger Band is. It is getting close. It's closing, which means that we might see prices rallying to one or another direction. If we check the money pressure, it's going down. If we check the spread, it's going down. So only stochastic gives us a hint that it might go up. But this might be just a slight move. Stochastic might be giving us just a slight move because we know that stochastic could give us one signal going up, two signals going up, three signals going up, four signals going up, and then it goes up. So we have to watch out on that. Maybe we want to keep our eyes on the 1 hour shot to see how this is going to go. Okay, let's see here quickly for the weekly chart. For the weekly chart, here we go. We have the weekly chart, a mix on. We don't have it. We have the histogram of the relative strength wanting to go up, but lines are saying it wants to go down. Okay, stochastic, it just changed, so everything is saying going down on the daily chart, sorry, on the daily chart, we still have the prices moving up while the volume is going down. So this is something telling us that it is going to go down. So this enforces what the 4 hour chart is telling us. So if it's in an indecision of going up or going down, the daily chart says it's going to go down. So we might see uh, uh, prices still moving sideways on the 4 hour chart before going down. Okay, and the 1 hour chart says it's want to go down, so it's forcing 4 hour to go down as well. We have stochastic wanting to go down, but it takes a while until we have a complete signal from this guy. We have buy sell trend. Let's see, buy sell trend is saying that it's going up on the mid and short term. But check this out. The short term is starting to uh, go. Uh, it wants to point down. It did a few moments ago on October 5th, and it's doing this again. So we have to keep looking at it to see if it's going to complete this cross down over the red line, which is the short term trend, or if it's going to rally again as it did right here. Okay, let's keep our eyes on that. But I would say that independently, considering this trend, it looks like we have a lot of reasons to have it going down. For instance, we have money pressure, even though the line suggests that it's thinking about going up. We still have the histogram that it's more rigid on its decision. It says it's going down. We have price spread going up on the histogram, but we already have some exercises going on the line saying that it's going up. Actually, the histogram, but we have some exercise on the line saying it's going down. So let's see. For the last, we have the volume wave. The volume wave is going for a subsequent uh, positive wave. Let's see how that guy's gonna come out. But in summarizing this daily analysis, we need to have a little more information in order to see what is the direction. Since we have stochastic on the overbought zone, we might see it or going down or moving sideways inside this overbought zone, which will give some room for the prices to keep on at least moving sideways as well instead of going down. But we have to see the 4 hour chart going down in order to pull the 1 hour chart as well. Okay? So again, the same way we had yesterday, we have today. There is no fixed decision yet about which direction we are going. The thing is, it is respecting totally the downtrend line. That's what is important for us right now. Let's see how long how it's gonna go. The lately it went to 7,232. I'm looking this guy going to 7,200. I might put a buy position there and see how this is going to go on. If it goes down, I'll buy it even lower. Let's see how that's going to look at. Okay, to end the analysis, we still have positive movements going on the weekly chart. Okay, so we can see some forces going down on the daily chart, which was pushed by the 4 hour and 1 chart. But remember that we need 7 days in order to build 1 week, which means that the daily chart can go down for like 1, 2, 3 days and do a bottom reversal if it's gonna go that far down. Start doing a bottom reversal and going up. So this will confirm that we have a weekly chart going up. The only thing that still keeps bothering me, and I told you guys yesterday, we don't have volume supporting the uptrend of the prices. This is bothering me because we have a lot of nice signal, but we don't have the volume supporting it. It means that people are speculating on prices, but there's not a lot of people trading, or at least the hand that they're trading is not big enough, you know? So this is something that bothers me. Okay, folks, that's it for today. Let's see how things are going to go. All right, take care. And if you guys can like this video, I would appreciate that. And if you guys could follow me, I would be very happy. This is available on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Telegram, and that's it for today, folks. See you guys later. Bye.